Yo, what's up guys? Good morning! Happy Sunday! 360 gaming tayo to work today. Pero hindi ko lang alam kung gaano katagal yung 360 natin maglalast kasi hindi ko siya na-charge. Sabi dun sa battery status 26%. And we're shooting at 8K 360 degrees loop around. In-elevate natin yung 360 higher than usual kung paano natin siniset up before. And then we're using the Mic Mini or Mic Air. I keep calling it Mic Mini for some reason, I don't know why. Kasi siguro mini siya. Ano lang medyo distractive. Nakaka-distract yung ating vision kasi yung 360 nakaangat dito. I wish I can show you guys, pero based on the 360 siguro nagigets nyo kung paano ko siya minount. Same location as before, pero nagpa siya dun sa windshield para lang pagka nag 360 mode tayo, I can pan around like this and show you guys kung saan tayo nagra-ride. I'm hoping that the mic is working. You guys can hear me right now. Alam ko nakita ko yung mic or volume gauge niya kanina kaso sa glare or patay na yung screen, so hindi ko alam. So, time check, it's 8:13 on a Sunday morning. We are heading to work. Testing lang tayo ng vlog. Let's see how it works. Ang problema lang namin today, meron kaming night event tonight that starts at 7:30. So, for most of us, well actually all of us I think, it's gonna be another 12-hour day. 12-hour work day. Ngayon, sana kayanin ng 360 natin yung hangin para hindi siya gumalaw-galaw. We have about 11% of battery left. Siguro enough na to hanggang sa gas station lang. Ang napansin ko lang, when we turn on the camera again, after natin siyang patayin, ano siya, parang may 1 minute delay bago mag-reconnect yung mic. I guess that's the Bluetooth thing. I think that's pretty common. Pero kung you are recording using the Mic Air, you just have to keep in mind na kailangan mag-on ka ng camera at least a minute before yung actual na idea mo kung ano yung gusto mong i-record, or else you're gonna be late without the audio. Not bad. Sarap talaga pagka Sunday mag-ride to work. Sobrang open ng roadways, super dali. Of course, that's a consideration na walang aksidente sa roadway. Alright, we made it to the gas station. Bigat. Get a multistrada, they said. It's gonna be fun, they say. Mag-cut siya dahil wala ng baterya. Charge natin to. By the time we get off tonight, it's gonna be nighttime. We did 164 miles on this tank. Meron pa naman 13 miles. Siguro kaya na ito mga 180, 190. So far this week, na habang nira-ride natin si Multi, we've been using it on touring mode. Tinanggal ko siya sa sport mode, hoping that we can save some gas, which is not usually the case. Okay, that should be good enough. It's on the neck. $24, 4.8 gallons. What's up, players? Uwi na. Iwan, trabaho sila. I go home. Right up. Alright, uwi na. It's time check. I think it's 6:30. Later, Max. Muntik pa natin maiwan yung Insta360. Naka pure video mode na siya. Mukha naman maliwanag. Mag-vlog tayo uli pa uwi. Alright, everybody stayed except me. I go home. My job here today is done. I think we cleared 92 hours for the week. Or not the week, for the pay period. Bali yung 2 linggo na yun. May nakalimutan tayo, sinabihan na tayo ni Makmak eh. Yung ating helmet. We good! Let's go home. Single cam gaming tonight, or for this video. Hindi ko alam kung short to or long, pero sinama ko lang kayo sa commute natin to work, tsaka commute natin pa uwi. Pero bago pumasok dun sa may amin, ito na yung last part na may street lights. So kahit pa paano, I think nakikita nyo pa ako. But I should end the vlog here kasi madilim na mamaya. Thank you for coming with me today. I hope our test is good. Sinubukan natin yung Insta360 X5 mounted on the Multistrada using the Mic Air. This is for solo vlogging, single cam setup only. Wala tayong POV sa helmet, naka Bluetooth mic lang tayo. And then when we start talking about things, siguro during editing, ipapan left, pan right na lang natin siya. Let there be light. Yay! Lakas talaga ng ilaw ng Denali. So far so good. Hindi naman tayo binibigyan ng problema ng Denali, and we're still using the original battery of the Ducati ever since nakuha natin siya. Hopefully sa day off natin on Wednesday magkaroon ng ride kasi marami-rami yung off. Si George lang ang wala kasi lilipat siya ng Sacramento. But I think we might have Pogi with us. So we're trying to plan out Lake Mead ride. Balik tayo sa lake kasi the weather is permitting. And doon tayo maghanap ng mga kainan. And we'll see kung anong pwede natin ipakita sa inyo. Alright, we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for coming with us tonight or today. It's Sunday. And hope everyone's doing safe and well. Kakadaan lang ng bagyo sa inyo dyan sa Pilipinas. Sana lahat ng viewers natin tsaka mga friends and family nyo ay okay lang. Praying for everybody's well-being. Alright, we'll see you guys on the next one. God bless everyone and be a blessing to one another. Peace.